afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Hello and welcome to day 12 of my 31 days of Halloween. So I had started this look off by blocking my brows out with a glue stick and putting foundation on. Now I know they're not that great, but I did film this earlier on in the year and I feel like I'm a lot better at them now. But getting straight into this tutorial, I go into a black face paint and paint my doll eyebrows above my natural eyebrows. They're very animated like a doll, and then I start to paint in the inner half of my eye sockets and also along the smile lines as well. To make my eye sockets look really hollow, I go into a black eyeshadow and start to create some shading on the inside of them black lines that I have drawn. I wasn't in shot when I did this, but I did contour my nose quite heavily as well with a dark brown eyeshadow. And I also added some to my cupid's bow as well. I then get the tiniest bit of white face paint and create some highlights on my face. So I do this on the outside of my eye sockets, in my arch on my new eyebrows, and I also add a little bit in between my eyebrows as well, so it looks a bit like a reflection off of a doll's face. For the blusher, I used a red face paint and a pink face paint and added them to the apples of my cheeks and started to blend them out a little bit. I also added a little bit of a reflection there as well with the white face paint. Keeping with that white face paint, I add some highlights to the outside of my smile lines, and then exactly like I did with the eye sockets, I get a black eyeshadow and start to blend on the inside of them smile lines. I then added some more lines around the mouth area because as Annabelle is smiling all the time, there are some more lines around the chin and the mouth, so I've created them with the black face paint and the black eyeshadow as well. And like I have been doing throughout majority of this tutorial, I go back into the white face paint and add some highlights. To create them classic doll eyes with that white face paint, I paint a new bottom lash line. I then apply the London Copyright Soho eyelashes. I also add some little cut up eyelashes to my bottom lash line as well. For my lips, I did start to use the Urban Decay 714 liquid lipstick, but then I went over it with the Kylie Cosmetics Bite Me liquid lipstick because I thought it was a lot darker and creepier like Annabelle. Lastly, I get some dark brown face paint onto a really stiff brush and I start to flick it onto my face and tap it on my face a little bit so it looks a bit dirty and scratched and old like Annabelle. So this is the final look. I really hope you like it. If you do, press the like button down below so I know. And if you are looking for more Halloween inspiration this year, make sure you subscribe to me here on YouTube as I'm uploading every day of October on here, and also make sure you follow me over on Instagram as well. My name on there is @Brooke.Ellis_, exactly the same as TikTok if you're on there as well. All my social medias will be linked in the description down below, along with some discount codes for you if you wanted to check them out as well. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Are you afraid of the dark?